We'll guide you through how to turn on contactless payments on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a really useful feature to go and have, so it makes sense you want to have it turned on and enabled. We're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. So make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise, you may go and miss how this is done. So without any other further ado, let's get started. What we're going to want to do here is we want to go and swipe up, and you want to go and find the option for settings. So as you can see, here it is, and you want to go and tap on it to open it up. Now what you need to do is you want to come up to the top here to where you can go and see the option for connections and tap there. And in here, you want to go and find NFC and contactless payments. You can switch it on to the right, but you can also go and tap on it here. And it says to make mobile payments and read or write NFC tags, place the area of your phone shown in the blue circle against the NFC reader. So this back part. So what we need to do is make sure it's switched on in the top right. And that's it. Now it's going to go and be working. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future.